Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how type error map object is not subscriptable. This error message typically occurs when you try to use indexing on a map object in Python. Map is a built-in function in Python that applies a function to each item of an iterable, e.g. a list or a tuple, and returns a map object that contains the results. Map objects are not subscriptable, which means that you cannot use the square brackets to access a specific element of the map. Instead, you need to convert the map object into a list or a tuple if you want to access its elements by index. For example, let's say you have a list of numbers and you want to apply the square function to each number using map and then access the second element of the resulting map. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. This will result in a type error with the message, map object is not subscriptable. To fix this error, you can convert the map object to a list or tuple before trying to access its elements. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. Now the code will work as expected and print the square of the second element in the numbers list. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.